I've dreamed of roaming far and wide, but my English was something I couldn't hide. Then I found diaspora languages, it was true. It made my dreams come alive.
Hey everyone, welcome to Diaspora Languages Zaragoza. My name is Emmanuel, and today we're going to dive into another essential English tense, the present continuous. Now, have you ever heard someone say, I watch a movie right now, instead of, I am watching a movie right now? This is a common mistake, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when and how to use the present continuous correctly. So, let's get started. The present continuous is very easy to form. The formula is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Let's see it in action. I am playing football. You are studying for your test. He is watching TV. She is reading a book. It is raining outside. We are having lunch. They are traveling to Spain. See? It's straightforward. We just use the correct form of to be, am, is, are, and add ing to the verb. Let's talk about spelling rules when adding ing to verbs. For most verbs, just add ing. For example, play changes to playing. Read changes to reading. For verbs ending in e, drop the e and add ing. For example, make changes to making. Write changes to writing. For one-syllable verbs ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, double the last letter. For example, run changes to running. Swim changes to swimming. Got it? Great! Now, let's take a look at how to make negatives and questions. To make a sentence negative, we just add not after the verb to be. For example, I am not going to the party. He is not studying right now. They are not working today. And to ask a question, switch to be to the front. Are you listening to me? Is she coming to the event? Are they watching the movie? It's that simple. We use the present continuous for three main reasons. 1. Actions happening right now. For example, I am speaking English. You are listening to this lesson. She is cooking dinner at the moment. 2. Temporary actions. For example, I am staying at my friend's house this week. He is working on a new project. They are learning Spanish this semester. 3. Future plans when already decided. We are meeting our friends later. She is traveling to London next week. They are moving to a new apartment soon. There are certain expressions that we often use with the present continuous. These expressions can help you easily recognize when to use this tense. For example, 1. Right now, I am working right now. 2. At the moment, she is studying at the moment. 3. Currently, they are currently traveling in Europe. 4. Nowadays, people are using electric cars more nowadays. 5. This week, month, year. We are learning a new language this year. 6. These days. He is reading a lot these days. 7. For the time being. I am staying with my cousin for the time being. By using these expressions, you can easily identify when to use the present continuous in conversations. Let's go over some mistakes people make with the present continuous so that you don't fall into these traps. 1. Using the present continuous instead of the present simple. Incorrect, I am needing help. Correct, I need help. Some verbs like need, like, and know don't use the present continuous. They are called state verbs. You can find the list online easily. 2. Forgetting to be. Incorrect, she cooking dinner. Correct, she is cooking dinner. 3. Forgetting to add ing. Incorrect, he is watch TV. Correct, he is watching TV. By avoiding these mistakes, your English will sound much more natural. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the present continuous. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Follow the link below to do more practice on our private platform. See you next time. Bye for now.